All right, here we go. Third attempt. There's our progressives. Super high. There's our game. A couple more bucks in it. Let's see if this third attempt could make something happen. Just needs one. Needs one good one. Come on, game. Hit something good. One good spin. That's all it needs. Come on, come on. Come on, give it. Give that. Alright, I'll take $13.50. Come on, game. Come on, one time. One time. Hit that. Get it. Come on. Come on, one time, baby. Come on, baby, hit it. Come on, get it. Come on, come back around. There you go. Alright, finally bet 120, a little bit higher bet. Let's see if we can finally get something to hit on these free spins over here. See if we can finally get one good line, hit the trigger of that progressive up there. 468. Come on. You're killing me. Come on. Come back around. Come on. One time. Stop. Now, come on, baby. One time. Get it. Come on. Killing me, the lady. Just one spin. Come on. One spin. One time. You're killing me. Get it. Wow. Tough bonuses on this game today. Come on. Hit it anyway. Come on. Get it. Major progressive. Hit it. Come on. Keep chasing. Come on, let's get one good bonus here. One good line hit. A little something. Alright, come on. Come on, game. You could do it. Get one. Come on, pirate ship. Been good to me. Do it again. One time. Come on, one time. Give me that one super big win. So overdue, game. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, don't do that. Hit it. Get something good. Just one. Hit it with one good spin. Take a block out of anything right now. Some high-paying symbol. Come on, birds. You're killing me, third reel. Alright. Man. Try one at 160. Try to find its sweet bet. See if we get something that hits something. Oh, come on. One time. Hit 5. Hit 5. Get it. $3. Come on. Come on, game. Do it. Come on. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Nah. Damn ladies. Come on. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. This game is impossible. Come on! Ah, finally a decent line hit. Something more than $3. Come on. That's what we're chasing. Give it up, pirate ship. Do it. Do it. All that for a minor progressive. Come on now, trigger that major. $41. Come on, do it. Do it. Give that one. Come on, get it. Get it. Get it. Maybe not. Nah, let's try that again. This time hit the major. Come on. Come on, big hit. Do another one. Full screen. Come on, come on, come on. Get it, get it. Come on. Come back around. Come back around. Damn ship. No, of course they are. Come on. One more good line hit. Come on. Come on, pirate ship. Come on, do it again. One more. Come on, one more. Come on, get it, get it. Come on, shit. Come on, come on, come on. Come on back around. Come on back around. I needed that third bird. Come on, one super big win. Just one. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come back. Dollar. Come on. Damn, come on, Skulls. Line something up one time. Come on. One whole screen. Come on, give it. Come on, one good hit. Hit it. Come on, game. Stop this dead spin crap. Come on. There it is. Get it. Get it. Come on back around. Come on back around. Where's that second one? Come on. Hey, it hit something. Come on. Unflippin' Couldn't have had one in that third row. Alright, There's my one in the third row. Come on. Hit the skulls one time. Or a decent pirate ship bonus. Come on. Come on, come on. Yeah, of course. Finally hit something at 40 cents. From Major Progressive. Maybe it likes that little bit. Try one more like that. Come on. Nope. Come on, pirate ship. Do it. Didn't mean to do that. Come on, come on, come on, come on. $10. Come on, give me a full screen of that. Give me a full screen of something. Come on. Give me some more of those. Come on. Come on, birds. Come on, something. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come back around. Come on, one. It's impossible to hit that on this game. Of course. And there goes the second spin, exactly the same. Really? Come on, hit it already. Damn it. Come on. Really? One up, Hart. Holy cow. It's exhausting. 80 cents. Give me something big. One time. Come on, game. Hit it one time. Just one. Hit one time. 20 cents, 30 cents, 80 cents. Come on. Alright, look, $3. I actually covered my bet. Come on, one. Come on, get it now. Come on, one more. Come on, hit one more, get it. It's a start. They need something big here. Come on, one time game, one time. Oh, come on. Ah, there they go. That's what I need. Screen of them chests. Come on. Just one hit. Ah, there it is. Come on, baby. Come on back. Come on. Come on, game. I want to see 200-300. Come on. You could do it. $1.20 bet. Make one spin count. Make one bonus count. Come on, one time. Come on, you're killing me. Hit it. Come on, one spin. One spin. Come on. Jeez. Come on. You're absolutely killing me. On flipping real. Alright, come on. You're due. Hit that. 469. Come on. Do it. Come on. Damn progressive. Come on, hit all. Even a good line hit. Get one big win, not even a super big win, just get something. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on! Alright, that's a decent little spin. Take it. $1.50 a line. Bunch of lines. Probably going to pay more than my bonus. That's what we're still chasing. I don't know why I chase him. Maybe we'll find out why right now. Come on. Come on. 469.87. That'd be good. That'd be good. Get it. Get it. That was a good line hit anyway. Come on. Come on. One good bonus. That's what I need. One good bonus now. One good line hit with the skulls. Game seems to definitely like the 80-cent bet. Come on. Come on. Now how about give me all 4 of those? And there goes security walking behind me. At least he just kept walking. Come on, guy. Come on. Almost 470. Maybe it'll feel bad and give it to me at 470. Maybe I'll finally get a line hit of the skulls or birds. Or anything. Few little 5 spades. Come on, pirate shit. Really? Cannon. Come on. Ah, wilds. Well, that would have been nice. Nope. Come on. Come on, ladies. Need more than 3. Come on, one time of that. Really? Again. I need one time everything to line up right. Jeez, come on. $30 for nothing. Come on. Come on, game. Oh, we made it to 470. It means about another 10 grand.